Alright, welcome back to IMS Work Holding. This is going to be a video on how to face apart using Fusion360. I'm using the Titan 1M from Titan's Academy. All these prints are free. This is something they do. I love what they do. So, in our earlier video, we did our setup. So this was the setup that we came up with. Now we're going to do a facing program. So it's pretty simple to do a facing program in Fusion. Really not much to do. Here is your facing tab. Once you click that, it's pretty much going to look at your part and figure out what it needs to do. Now I'm actually going to go use a 3-inch face mill, one that I've got pre-built from earlier. I know the holder isn't quite right, but it's one that I've got pre-built from earlier. And I'm going to click OK. Feeds and speeds, whatever you've got programmed into it. These are pretty default feeds and speeds. This will depend on your cutter, material, the inserts that you've selected to use. It's all based on the surface footage and the feed per tooth that you're using. But at this point, a couple things I like to change is underpasses. I like to do past extension of whatever my cutter is plus 50 thousandths. If you don't, it won't come all the way off the part. If you need to do multiple depths, like if you're on the second side of a part and you need to take multiple depths, this is where you would select multiple depths and you would actually tell it how much you want to take. But for what we're doing, we don't need that function. You can also change your stepper over in here, your stock offset if you would like. The last thing I like to change is on a feed pass or a facing pass. I like to come down, position, and then go across the part. I don't like any kind of entry and exit feed. And then once we're done, that's all we have to do. Fusion is smart enough and recognizes what the top of your part is, recognizes what you want to do. It's automatically going to pick up the stock top, so it's not going to do anything with the stock. So, see this little bit of stock that we've got right here? It will take that little bit of stock off. See how it recognizes the top of my part? It does that simply because of how we set our part up. Is coming off of this origin point right here that we selected when we did our setup. If you've got any questions or comments, please feel free to comment below and I'll be more than happy to reply. Thank you for watching.